Gukinya kwa meri iri na tani 10,000 cia mbembe gicukiro-ini kia meri kia Mombatha gutumurite urugari makiria kuma kuri atongoria aria maumite icigo-ini iria irĩmaga mbembe kwa ũingĩ. Atongoria aya maugite thirikari ni irateng'era kũgũra mbembe kuma nja wa bũrũri o rĩrĩ arĩmi aingĩ maihũrĩtie thito ciao matarĩ na gwa gũtwara magetha mao.
We call upon the government to freeze the importation of maize into the country until April 2023, when we have a clear deficit on how many bags to import into the country.
And wait until all the maize has been mopped and purchased, and then we can say, okay, let's go into the issue of importing.
Because the net effect of that is that it's going to saturate imported maize on the market, and the prices are going to be low. Farmers have invested very heavily in this season especially. So we are saying no.
Turia nime turia tucuhagirira athii ya mutu nio kuringana na atongoria aya marakungia thirikari wara niguo tugure mbembe nja wa bũrũri na thogora wa thĩ.
We confirm that the region has witnessed surplus maize harvest in Trans Nzoia, Bungoma, Kakamega and other counties which has not been sold off. The caucus confirms that the community farmers will suffer irreparable damage.
And what the millers are doing is to misadvise the minister that we have no maize in this country so that they can bring in duty-free maize from countries that we are not sure whether is good maize.
We shall stand with the farmers. This is a matter that has no political affiliation. I stand with my brother, the Senator for Nandi, Senator Cherargei, in opposing the importation of any maize, not just GMO.
Morotete minista wa wonjoria Moses Kuria uria maugite urarekereria miario tari na gikiro kia wabici yake na riu bunge yugite ni kumumulika.
We cannot have a ship docking even before we gazette the importation. So we are saying that is completely unacceptable.
If he continues this, we will impeach him. We will collect signatures from tomorrow. If it doesn't change, he will be the first cabinet minister under this administration to go home.
Bunge oho ni arĩrĩirie ndereti ya gwĩtĩkĩrio kwa mbembe cia GMO gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, aingĩ makĩregana na mũbango ũyũ kumana na nganja nyingĩ iria ciĩkagĩrĩrwo irio cia GMO. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.